Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Marie Lim. So today I'll show you how I cut my hair. Usually I just cut it straight. I don't go to the salon unless I really want to try something new, something fun and edgy. I'll go to salon, but so far right now I just want to cut it shorter, maybe up to here. And I'm thinking of doing my bangs too, but we'll see what happens. But so far my plan today will be just to cut it right here up to here, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first, I have a mirror right here. And I will be starting my hair cutting. Divide my hair into two parts, one on the left and one on the right. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna measure. So my hair length that I want to cut it with is until here. So I'll start by cutting only half first and then go all the way to where my desired length is. Okay, so I have a scissor. This is a hair scissor, and yeah, let's begin. Okay, just cut it straight. The same thing on the right side. You just have to measure the length. Make sure it's the same length. Okay, so you just move it around and see. Okay, next what you'll do, so it's super straight right now. What you're gonna do is put your scissors upward, so the pointed one is right here, and you're just gonna do, instead of cutting it horizontally, you're gonna cut it vertically. So okay, so what you'll do is just cut it like this, just so it doesn't look like super straight. Okay, so you just have to like see if it's really straight or like the way you want it, and just keep on cutting it until your desired length. Okay. Then next, I want to do a layer. So what I'll do, I'll put my hair in half. So you're just gonna keep on doing this, so you don't like cut like a whole bunch and then oops, it's shorter in another one, and then you keep on like making your hair shorter and shorter and shorter. So it's better to do this way, cutting it gradually instead of cutting it the whole way. So now that you have cut your hair in this the length that you wanted, you're gonna do the other half of your hair. So tie the one in the bottom, the one that you just cut. So this is the bottom and this is the top part. Okay, so this bottom part is still tied. Okay, don't remove it, and do your part again. Like so. So the outer area is right here, so I'll just cut it diagonally. So you're just basically putting your hair on the edge of the scissor right here, and just cutting it. Okay. So I feel like this is kind of where I'm going for. So I just want to cut my bangs. So what you'll do is, so I'll show you how to cut your bangs. Originally I kind of want to cut my bangs like here, but I don't think I want to do it because my face is basically square already, or like round and big. And I feel like if I do a bangs like up to here, it will just look my face bigger or super big. So part your hair in the middle. Okay, and then comb it out. Then what you'll do is put it inverted V. Okay, so from the top, from the halfway of your part, put an outer V. Depending on how thick you want your bangs to be, I feel like this one is pretty much okay, or I want it thicker. Okay, so I'll just put 3/4. Okay. Tuck this away, and you do the same thing on the left side. Make sure it's the same amount and same size. Okay. I feel like this one is super big, so okay. So this is your bangs. So this one right here, the one that's not part of your bangs, put it in a tie or put it in a knot. Okay, so you're gonna cut it. Don't cut it all the way to your desired length. Cut it slowly. So for me, I want it up to here, maybe here. So I'll cut it first here. Okay. And cut it vertically. And what you'll do is frame your face, so get a little bit more on the side and just cut it longer than your actual bangs that you cut. Okay, so this is my bangs. I feel like this is fine. And then I just want to cut the middle. Cut it a little bit. So just see if this is your desired bangs. For me, I want to cut it a little bit more, but I feel I'm gonna regret it. So what do you think? Do I cut it more or like up to here? What do you think? Yeah, I think I'll look like super Asian and my face will just get bigger. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put it down and see what it looks like. Okay, so I feel like I'm good with my haircut right now. So what do you think? Do I put bangs? Do I put bangs? Do I put bangs? What do I look like? I feel like it will look good, but I'm just so scared because it's been a long time since I got my bangs super short. I think I was in college when I did it, so I'm not sure. Maybe just cut it a little bit more. Okay, I'll cut it just a little bit more. Okay. Okay, so I feel like it's pretty much good for now. Guys, so I feel like if I want to cut my hair more, like my bangs more, I feel like it's gonna look like I have such a big face already. I don't know. I just want to like do something for a change, and I feel like putting bangs will make it. What do you think? Yeah, so I decided not to cut my bangs any shorter than this because I feel like I'm gonna regret actually this length already. I'm like kind of regretting it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want more videos like this, please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you soon. Bye.